Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm back again. I've got some little wooden coasters. I've taped the back and I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna do a blue one and a green one. And then I'm gonna do a blue and green together. So let's do the blue and green together. No, I don't know if I'll have time to do 3, but we'll see. I'll do the blue and green in another video. Okay. This is some runoff paint. It's Glidden Premium with the other paints mixed in. Okay. So, let's see. I've got a purpley blue. It's called Light Blue Violet. I'll put a little bit of that on the bottom. Then I've got some ultramarine blue by Amsterdam. Then I've got a lot of bubbles on these. Green blue by Amsterdam. And I'm going to put some of this Sheleeart Enchanted blue. It has to go in a dark color, so I'll put it here. It'll turn blue. And I'll put cerulean blue and sapphire blue, Sheleeart sapphire blue. I think this is probably enough. It's my cell activator. And use my mini blower with my attachment. Oh, I think I poured too much over to one side. Darn. That's gorgeous though. But you know what? It's pretty dark. And I'm not a fan of this. I wrecked it. So what I'm going to do is start over. Just put this all back in the middle. Let's try this again. Oh, that's too much now. All right, let's try this again. Try and blow it cell activator evenly. I think I put too much cell activator. Let's see if it comes back. Okay. It's all cells except for there. Oh well. Let's give it a spin. Just a little bit on this side here. Very pretty. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so let's do a green one. I love these mats. So easy to clean. Really Veffy. I have a discount code in the description under my video for 10% off any orders that you make. They come in all different sizes. I've got a huge one on my table. And they're good for resining too. If you want to use it under your resin, and the paint and the drips and the resin just pops right off. I'll put some some runoff paint. This Glidden Premium, and this is Glidden Premium, but it's mixed with some of my color paints. I'll use it for a pillow. Yellow green first. You probably saw my large green one that I did. By Liquitex Basics. And Pinot Gris, this little piggy. This is like a goldy green color. It looks nice if you put it on a dark color first. It shows up better. And then I've got my, let me see which one next. Peridot Folk Art Metallic. And I've got Artist Loft Metallic Green. I think that's all the greens I'm going to put down. Oh, what the heck? Let's put sap green. This is the ink sap green. Liquitex. No. Yeah, Liquitex Basics acrylic ink mixed with my pouring medium. That's all. I get my black cell activator out. I use my mini blower. Oh dear. Oh, I wrecked that one. Darn. I hate when that happens. But you know what? I'm going to leave it. A lot of it's going to come off anyway. Let's see if I can blow with my straw. Oh, I didn't do anything there good, so. Okay. Well, let's see what it looks like when I spin it out. Yeah, I like it. I like it now. See? Because the part I messed up, see, I swirled there. There. There, love that now. Okay. All done. So stick around for the dried results. Look how pretty that is. Of my blue and my green coaster. Have a good day. Hi everybody. Look at these pretty coasters. They dried really good. Love all those blues. Very pretty. I think I'm going to try blue and green mixed together for a bloom. Like layered different colors, blue and green. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.